I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable. This crucial step prevents any accidental electrical shorts or shocks while you're working. Next, gather your essential tools, including a set of wrenches, a ratchet, and a serpentine belt tool. Make sure your engine is completely cool before you start to avoid burns. Now, let's tackle the serpentine belt. Find the belt tensioner, which usually has a square opening for your serpentine belt tool. Apply pressure to the tool to rotate the tensioner and release the belt's tension. Once the tension is off, carefully slip the belt off the alternator pulley. Remember to note the belt's routing for easier reinstallation later. With the belt off, it's time to disconnect the alternator itself. You'll find one or two electrical connections on the back. Carefully unclip or unbolt them. Next, locate and remove the mounting bolts that hold the alternator in place. There are typically 2 or 3 bolts. Once all connections and bolts are free, gently maneuver the old alternator out of the engine bay. Finally, let's install your new alternator. Carefully place the new unit into position and secure it with the mounting bolts, tightening them firmly. Reconnect all the electrical wires, making sure they are snug and secure. Then, route the serpentine belt correctly and use your tensioner tool to put it back onto the alternator pulley. Reconnect the battery and test your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.